to another video brought to you by the one and only Simone Nicole TV, and that's on what? Period poo. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing for you all. The thing is, my mom brought my boxes to me because, you know, I travel for a living, and I had a few boxes with her, and I'm assuming this is the Telfar box. It looked like it, right? For those who shop with Telfar, this is like Telfar box, y'all, right? I don't remember which ones I ordered, but we're gonna open it up together and we're gonna experience the joy together of the Telfar, because we're in our what? We're in our bag. If you are new here, my name is Simone Nicole. Once again, I do videos on luxury, locks, and lifestyle. If you're interested in any of those three, make sure you subscribe. That way you are notified by hitting the bell as well. Period. So let's go ahead and open it up. And once again, I do not have a box cutter. I was supposed to invest in one a long time ago, so I'm gonna go grab one and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back, and of course I'm using my trusty knife that the hotel has provided for me. Let's go ahead and open up the box. If you are new to Telfar, Telfar is a black-owned brand. They make these beautiful bags that are vegan leather, which means it's not made of leather. And he's been selling them out ever since the ball dropped. Ever since. And yep, this is a Telfar bag unboxing. And I believe, how many did I buy at once this time? Your girl was able to get two. Your girl was able to get two of them. Speaking of Telfar, did any of y'all go to the Rainbow Shops Telfar in was it Brooklyn? Did y'all go to that? Because I've seen some TikToks, I've seen some posts, some people leaving very unhappy. Y'all gotta spill the tea. How was it? Did y'all go to it? Did y'all get anything? I saw that some people were able to get their bag without being in the line. Like they had to sign something or just like give them the information because they were no longer selling them. Like the time frame ended, I believe, and people were in line mad. But the thing was, you could leave information and they would send you a bag. Like Telfar would send you a bag if you couldn't get it at that moment when you were supposed to. So I thought that's kind of cool. I thought it was kind of cool. I wouldn't be mad at that. I wouldn't be mad at that, especially if I can get more than one. But for those who made it inside, how was that? Also, how was that experience? Because I would have loved to go, and it's crazy because I was in New York a few weeks before that happened, and then I left, and then I was like, dang, we could have been there. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox. So we have two bags. Two bags, and these are the smalls. I got them on the bag security, so that makes sense. I was able to get two different ones, of course, because you don't get more than one color. Oh, these are two different colors. You usually don't get more than one color unless it's bag security, because they only drop, Telfar only drops one color every time he drops a bag. So you're gonna get all the purples, all the grays, all the collab, East Pack, or UGG. You're only gonna get one type every time he is going to drop a bag. So yeah, the price point was $150, and let's go ahead and open it up. Once again, y'all, fall time is here. We are here in fall. So it comes with the Ziploc, as we all know. It comes with the dust bag, as we all know by now. And ooh, we have a cream. Look at that. That is pretty. That is pretty. I really love this. This might go well with my Yeezys. I might wear this today, actually. I might wear this to the movies tonight. This is nice. This is so cute. So cute. That's a pretty color. Here's the next one. Again, Ziploc bag. Drawstring dust bag. This one was already open. It was already open. And we have the beautiful chocolate. Ooh, okay, this is coming off as like a milk chocolate, not a dark chocolate. What do y'all think? It looks very chocolatey. Like it looks like, just bite it. Just want to bite it. That's what it looks like, a chocolate bar. I love them. I love them. These are going to be also my fall bags for winter and fall season. They're so cute. This one is really giving off of, it's supposed to be, let me see exactly what it's called. So this one right here, based off of here, is called, oh, it's the small cream. This is a cream. I don't know if there's other colors of tan or beige. This is the cream one. I'll post those two to show you guys in comparison if there are other ones that he has in the same color scheme, because this is very light but also dark at the same time. Like, it's not giving off a nude in my opinion. Maybe it is to some of y'all. It's definitely true to color on screen, so it's giving to me in person. It looks more, maybe it looks more lighter. The sun is definitely shining, but if I pull it back here, you kind of see better how it looks in person. It looks kind of palish cream on camera, but here it looks more of a warm cream, like the coffee. But that's pretty cute. I love this color. This is so nice. And then again, this is the chocolate in the small. It's a rich brown. I love that so much. I love that. I'm not gonna undo everything because I also want to show it on TikTok. I'm gonna just do, you know what the heck. If I love it, I'll buy it in every color. If I like it, I'll buy it in another color. If I like it, I'll buy it in another color.
If I like it, I'll just grab it in a different color. If I like it, I'll just grab it in another color. If I like it and they have another color, I'll just grab it.
Oh, this color is gorgeous. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And of course it has the tags, as they always do on all the Telfar bags. Well, if you've seen one, you've seen them all. It has a little pocket, a little hidden tag pocket like that we all know about. It has an open space once again, no pockets on the outside. It has the top handle here, and it has a long strap. So cute, so cute. And the stitching on this one is actually contrast, so it's not, which I just noticed, it's not matching the actual brown. The stitching is lighter. Can you guys notice that? Which is kind of cute. It kind of gives more depth to the bag. I like that. I like that he didn't just match the stitching with the actual color of the bag. It's a tan. It's almost like the cream color of the cream bag. But yeah, it's kind of like in the light it gives off like a gold tone. If I pull it over here, yeah, it's like a goldish tone to it, not dark brown at all, which is super cute. It's super cute to me. And then on this one, the stitching is more going with the bag. I never even paid attention to that before. Like, do the other bags have stitching that matches the actual material of the bag? I don't know. I gotta pay attention now. But yeah, these two, I believe these are the last ones I ordered. I cannot remember. I think so. I think these were the last two I ordered. And you guys seen my white one, you guys seen the mini black one, and then you saw, if you watched my last video, you seen my East Pack Telfar collaboration bag that my boyfriend purchased for me. And then I also have these two. So I think that was it. These are the only ones that I wanted from the Telfar collection. I just wanted to give the girls nude, I wanted to give the girls minimalist, I wanted to give the girls staple wardrobe pieces with these bags. I wanted to get colors that was gonna last me throughout the rest of my life. Like, I didn't want to get anything that was gonna be too bright. Oh, I also had the pink. I forgot I had a soft pink. So I didn't want to get the bright pink. I wanted to get like neutral tones that just gonna add to the outfits without being the showstopper, because the brand itself is already stopping the show, if you feel me. The brand itself is already catching the eyes of the audience. I don't need it to be a bright color personally. For me, I like this a lot. So I'm very pleased, very happy about my purchases. Have you guys been able to get all your bags from Telfar? Have you been able to say, okay, I'm done? Because now I feel like I can say I'm done now. I'm done. So I have all my bags. So what do I have? I have a black one. Oh, I also have a medium. I have one medium one. I will show you guys my entire collection once I get into a place where I can do that. Right now I cannot do that because it already took me forever to get these to show you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. Bye.